Hello there, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. For this video, we're going to be preparing a simple but delicious tofu scramble. Hey y'all, welcome back. So to begin this tofu scramble, alright, we're gonna use this. This is silken tofu. So it's not the firm tofu. This one it's easy to break up and crumble up, so that's why it can be made into a scramble. Like you get the texture of scrambled eggs with this. Alright, so quickly we're just gonna slice up our vegetables. Onion, tomato. I love tomato, so I love to see big red chunks of tomato in my dish, in my food. So I don't like to cut them too small, just some nice chunks. Garlic, I'm using just 1 clove of garlic. You know, with the garlic you crush and then you slice. You crush to get out some additional flavor out of the garlic. Scallion. Some hot pepper. Remember to remove the seeds and be careful. And some sweet pepper. It smells so good. Alright? So that's that for the vegetables. I'm gonna open this so you can see what it looks like. Just gonna cut here. You can see, very soft. Crumbly. I think I'm gonna use maybe half of this container. This before. It comes with a brine in it. Maybe it's like the preservative. Oops. Alright, so that's what the whole of it looks like. As I touch it, it breaks, so it's not the firm tofu that we know. Okay, so the pot is hot, so add in some oil. I'm adding maybe 3 or 4 tablespoons of oil. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add in my vegetables for them to get a nice fry. I like to add my garlic and pepper first to get them fried out in the oil. Give the oil a nice flavor. So I give these a few, like 2 or like a minute by themselves in the pot, like that. Alright, now we're adding in all the rest of the vegetables. Our flame is on medium heat. On medium, right? So for the tofu, you want to drain all the excess water from it before adding it into the pot. To get a nice color on the tofu, I'm going to be adding a tablespoon of this. This is some turmeric paste. So add that straight in. About a tablespoon will do. Stir that in. Now we're gonna just go right in with the tofu because we don't want the vegetables to overcook. Right in like that. Now for some seasoning. Now we're gonna use some salt and black pepper. And then we're gonna cover this down for several minutes and let the tofu absorb all the flavor, and then we'll come back. Alright, the last thing we're going to do, it's done now, but the last thing we're going to do is add some scallion, some fresh scallion to the top. Give that another nice mix through. And then just turn this off. That's it. That is it. So this is what it looks like. I'm having mine with some roast breadfruit. I love roast breadfruit, but you can have this with some bread because it works. It has a texture like scrambled eggs, and it's very. Alright, hold on. Let us try this together. So we're gonna give this a try. I'm gonna get everything: some onion, some tofu, some tomatoes. It's so good. It has a lot of flavor. The texture is feeling like scrambled eggs, so if you're vegan and you're missing the taste or the feel of scrambled eggs on your bread for your morning breakfast, this would be good. This would serve well with some pasta as well. So thank you so much for joining me. I really hope that you get to try this tofu scramble. Maybe with some fried breadfruit, that would be so nice for breakfast as well. It really tastes so good. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you are well and eating well. So until next time again, eat well, walk good. That's good. Thank you.